right, guys, let's make another essential. Today we're making a pistachio pesto. We got our pistachios, parsley, a little bit of basil, fresh mint leaves, cloves of garlic, looks like about 5 in here, Parmesan, just a little bit of water as well, because it's gonna be pretty dense with all those herbs going in there. Some olive oil. All right, guys, we have our nice pesto right here. I have a little bit of vegetable broth. I'm gonna put in the pot, a saute pan, a little bit of cream, keeping like 2 tablespoons of that pesto sauce. I'm gonna season this up a little bit. A little salt, a little pepper. I cooked a little pappardelle. Put it right into our mixture. A little bit of pappardelle with pistachio herb pesto from Chef Garces. Get to cooking, guys.